Hi friends, this is Alex Smith. I'm so excited. We are bringing 237 Villalobos Miradores to the market right now in the Hollywood Riviera. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story, giant ocean view home. Come on in. Let me give you a tour. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour at 237 Villalobos Miradores. My name is Alex Smith. Call me when you're ready for a tour of this home or to talk about listing your own home in the South Bay. My number is 424-259-3830.